Hey, I'm Tomus.
I'm Omus.
And this is Jackin Joysticks. And this
Jackin Joysticks.
Oh, fucking Jack. Gee, I knew I was going to fuck that
Every
up.
time.
I fucking knew it.
Because, all the episodes we have. No. Yes. I'm Omus, and I'm going to be playing a game on the computer on a keyboard. So, again,
this game was normally on a nice little console controller.
Of course. Super Nintendo.
Have mercy.
But yeah, we're going to play some games and talk shit about them or whatever.
Masaida Mayada. We're not going to do the whole credits.
No. So, see, I can just go to
start.
So, you give me 0.
Maxim's already a dirty enough name now that it's a condom. Wait, is that a condom? No, it's Magnum. I'm thinking of Magnum. Maxim should be a condom.
That's the maximum number of letters, though.
Maxim, in between small and large. Average. Maxim condom.
Wait, hold on. I'd be like...
Mysterious figure, who are you?
Woo!
Mysterious, and we're angry at you. Hey, okay, that's fine. How about like Money? Like a cool ass, dope ass name like Money. That's probably stupid.
How about? That didn't work.
That wasn't me. Hoo-ha! Oh, come on. Oh, okay.
Hooch! Hey, Hooch!
Alright, Hooch. I like Hooch. I'm down there. Right. Yo, turn her up in this bitch.
Hooch. Oh, yeah. I was thinking like booze.
Sure, absolutely.
Tia, I still don't know like why I can name him when you can't name anybody else.
What if she gets in your party? Can you name her? Like
I don't think
Hooch.
so.
Who's got the hooch?
Because it should say it right there when he's like, "Hey Tia," it should be like, "Hey," and I'll go name this girl.
We'll find out. Maybe it's later on when it's like it becomes part of your party. She's like, "You're not Tia anymore. You're whoever I say."
That would be weird. But yeah,
it would be weird. But that's sometimes
part of the game. Hey, you might be right. All right, I got 6 jellies. She's gonna give me 120 gold pieces for 6 jellies. That's 6 jellies. That comes to 180 gold pieces.
In this economy, come on now. Come on now, Hooch.
Monsters are cheap these days. Cheap little sluts.
All these monsters are coming over from China. And
all right there.
That's not a country. They don't know what they're like. China. Spooky,
It's spooky,
There's ghosts all over. I can lose my job without them.
Being a monster hunter. Hooch! Hooch!
Have you thought about getting an ordinary job? Well, I could be an accountant. Let's see. I could make sandwiches.
Shop owner, maybe?
Are you giving me capital, Tia, to go and open my own shop? No, I didn't think so. Huh. That'll be the day.
But she wants him to be the co-shop owner, right?
Oh, she's hinting hard.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm selling all those. I'm out there killing jellies.
I'm out there killing them, stabbing them with whatever I got.
Oh, I'm stabbing them all right.
Okay. And she's like, I'm mad at you, but be careful, I don't sell you stuff. Because I am the shop owner. This time, getting the raper. God damn you.
Hey, I said it, but
what?
You
No, I did not. It's a rapier. I said no such thing.
Therapist witch. You know what I'm doing now.
I still have enough for 2 whole potions.
Get the whole ones. Don't get the half potions.
The whole ones. That would really be shitty.
Here's a half potion.
It's a good potion.
I died just waiting for this potion to kick in. Oh, it's you, Hooch. This is a good time to show you my secret techniques for fighting in dungeons. Oh, a random old man. Look at my beard. I can be trusted. Secret techniques. Don't tell anyone.
Secret techniques for fighting in dungeons, if you know what I mean.
I'll wait for you at the dungeon south of here. Bring your leather. I'll bring the whips.
And I'll tame the tip of your rapier.
Oh!
this is the dungeon. You know, like the whole
Secret
stairs.
skills cave. Where can I learn some secret skills? Not at that secret skills cave down there. I don't know where, but not there.
Directly below town. The secrets are kept.
Monsters move only when you move, so don't move!
So don't monster in front of you. Oh God, I'd be good. I see it too. I'm gonna kill it.
I just wanted to be friends.
Not what we do here.
That's our hooch. Jellies are nothing for him.
That's our hooch.
But don't get penisy. Some monsters are fast, gaining 2 steps to your 1. 2 steps forward, and 1 step back. I'm a big Paula Abdul guy. Also, when there are many monsters in a room, don't let them surround you. Whoa! Of course, the monsters move only when you move. Did I say that before? So stop and think before you act.
He did,
Good.
didn't he?
Let's move on to the next room. Enter the door above. Not the door below, that's later. Hooch. Bad jelly!
Skills.
Girls like guys who have skills. Arrows can freeze and be moving for a while. Press the button to shoot them. Now, do you use the Y on that thing? Or
Yeah, it's the Y.
Handy.
A is A, Y is Y, B is B, and X is X.
It's temporarily paralyzed. It's put in traction in a hospital. Bumping into a paralyzed enemy is rude, but it doesn't lead to a battle.
I mean, you're out to kill him anyway. So.
Skills never run out. Do they have talons? I'm not doing a good. I'm not doing a good impression, but it's making me laugh anyway. You know what? Even when I'm doing,
No, but I was gonna guess that, but yeah, it seems it's almost like you're trying to like do a rip-off version of a rip-off version.
That's pretty much what. That's what. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah.
Like if people are like, discipline. And you're like, yeah, that's that guy doing that for me doing it.
Like if I'm doing Arnold, they're like, I'm Arnold.
Well,
like that's the bad
people
rip-off.
are really bad.
Sure, they don't need.
Arnold.
They're only doing an impression of an impression of an impression. Whereas I'm like, the Zima. Oh no, 2 jellies. What are you gonna do?
Oh my God! Well, I hit him harder apparently.
We just want to hang out. We didn't even hit you first.
Hang out buried under the ground. I mean, I don't know. They just sort of disappeared, so.
Tia will give you money for your carcass. Fuck you, Jelly. It's all Tia's fault.
Your skin's worth
Just
gold.
kidding.
Oh, yeah.
Boom.
I always wondered, like, this seems like it should be something. It's just a torch, like all the others.
But it looks, it's got that motion of like a cat would be like, what's that? What's that? And you know, when you're a gamer, you kind of a little bit.
Well, yeah, it makes you think like this should be like an altar. I don't know.
Something. It's got more motion.
Like
than
it
you would
had
think.
something, yeah.
More motion from the.
But it's just, you know, it's a nice design.
What is locked? Can you find the key to open it? Not my butt cheeks. Can you see the switch at the upper left? Stand on top of it. It will relieve my.
I don't actually have to do that.
Oh, there you go.
You're like, whoa, that's right, hooch!
I almost forgot. I need a special massage for you to.
I do have Alzheimer's.
Reset. You remember on Super Nintendo, which this game is based, we used to have reset.
Push the pillars.
You can try it. You can pull my pillar all day long. It's not going to do anything, but please give it a whack.
Pillar Pushers Anonymous.
If you push the pillar against a wall or a door or somebody's butt cheeks, you can do nothing more. But don't worry, there is a reset spell that sets it up again. Just give me a few minutes and a turkey sandwich. I'll be right back with you. I need a reset.
The pillars on my bum.
I made a fart noise. I don't know why. It didn't work, but hey, it happens. The spell sends you back in time to when you just had entered the room. Everything in the room turns to its position, including the monsters and Okay. Reset does not take any major ponage. Thus, you can use it as many times as you wish. Yeah, there you go.
Hey, boy. No, yeah. It's free. It's nice.
Possess. I'm telling you, that's not how you spell possess. But I could be. I gotta be. It's possess. Possess the spell, and you'll have nothing to fear. I should give you the reset spell. You take over for a second. I gotta look up the word possess.
Dude, really? Where did your phone come from? I thought you were charging it.
You don't know. You don't know
Give me the
stuff.
reset spell. What? Fine. I'm gonna let you prove how dumb you are. So.
You know what? I was totally right.
What?
I thought it was about 7:20, and it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, see? That's what's up. Get in first. Kill the cute little baby-eyed lizard.